Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into something that every blogger or content creator needs to know: how to optimize blog posts for SEO. SEO is a key factor in getting your blog post noticed by Google and driving traffic to your sites. So let's break down the steps you need to take to create SEO-friendly blog posts that will rank higher and reach a bigger audience. Step 1. Keyword research. The first step in creating SEO-friendly blog post is keyword research. Before you start writing, you need to know what people are searching for. Before you start writing, you need to know what people are searching for. By targeting the right keywords, you can ensure that your post answer a question or solve a problem that your audience is actually searching for. Here is how you do it. Use tools like Google Keywords Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords related to your topic. Look for long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that often have less competitions and a high chance to conversion. Check the search volume and competition to ensure that you are targeting keywords that people are actually searching for, but is not too difficult to rank for. For example, if you are writing about how to start a blog, a long tail keywords could be how to start a blog for beginners in 2025. Number 2. Writing accompanying titles with keywords. Now that you have your keywords, the next step is creating a compelling title. Your title should grab attention and includes your main keywords so Google knows what your post is about. Here's what to keep in mind. Include your target keyword at the beginning of the titles. Make it engaging and clickable. For example, instead of how to start a blog post, try something like the ultimate guide to starting a blog in 2025. Keep your title under 60 characters to make sure it shows up properly in search results. A good title should make the reader feel like they cannot miss out on the valuable content inside. Step 3. Write quality content. Now it's time to start writing your blog post. The core of SEO is quality content that provides value. Here is how to write content that Google will love. Focus on your audience's needs. Always write for the reader first. Make sure your blog post answers their questions, solves their problems, or entertain them in a valuable way. Use your targeted keywords naturally within the first 100 words of your post and then throughout the content, but don't over it. This is called keyword stuffing, and Google can give you the penalty for this. Use related keywords or LSI keywords. These are terms that Google associate with your main keywords. For example, if your main keywords is SEO blog post, related terms could be SEO tips, optimized content, or search engine ranking. Break up your content with subheading, heading 1, heading 2 to make it easier to read. This also gives Google a better understanding of the structure of your content. Make your content comprehensive. Aim to provide in-depth information that covers the topic well. Longer posts tend to rank better, so try to aim for at least 1000 words. Step 4. Optimize your meta description. The meta description is the short paragraph that appears below your title in search results. It is crucial for click-through rate, so make sure it is compelling and optimized. Here is how to optimize it. Include your target keywords naturally in the meta description. Keep it under 160 characters to ensure it's fully visible on search engine. Make it entouching and descriptive, so users want to click on your post. For example, learn how to write an SEO-friendly blog post step by step to rank higher on Google and drive more traffic to your sites. Step 5. Use internal and external links. Once your content is written, the next step is add internal and external links to boost your post SEO. Internal link. Link to other pages or blog posts on your websites. This helps Google understand the structure of your sites and can keep visitors browsing your content longer. For example, you can link to other posts you have written about SEO for beginners. External links. Links to high authority, relevant external websites. This shows Google that you are referencing credible source and adds value to your contents. For example, if you mention a tools like Google Keywords Planner, link to their official page. Be sure not to overdo it with links. Focus on quality, not quantity. Step 6. Optimize image. Now, let's talk about image. Image makes your post more engaging and can also help with SEO. Optimize image file name. Name your image file with relevant keywords. Add alt text. Include descriptive alt text for each image using keywords and related terms. This helps Google understand what your image are about and make your content more accessible. Compress image. Make sure your image compress so they don't slow down your site's loading time, which can negatively affect SEO. Step 7. Optimize for mobile. With more people browsing the web on their phones than ever before, it's critical that your blog post is mobile friendly. Use a responsive design so that your blog automatically adjusts to different screen size. Test your post on mobile device or ensure everything looks good and loads quickly. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly website, so if your blog is not optimized for mobile, it could hurt your SEO ranking. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating SEO-friendly blog post by following this step. Writing compelling content, optimize your meta description, adding internal and external links, optimize image, ensure your website mobile friendly. You will have blog posts that are more likely to rank on Google and drive traffic to your sites. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you get something value through this video. If you get something value through this video, like, share. So bye bye.